Welcome to Extreme Horizontal licks here. I'm just gonna play it for you slowly. In the key of B, first position blues scale shape in the 7th fret, 4th position in the 2nd, and in the 14th. Okay, so let's start in the 4th position. We're basically doing two things here. We're focusing on the two middle strings, which has that whole tone interval on both the D and the G string, and also it's the same intervals in the first position blues scale shape. So you got an easy way of practicing going from shape to shape with no shapes in between. You simply slide back and forth between these two shapes, which gives you those really cool slides. So this is just an example. You can play around with it afterwards and mark out your own two shapes here. So I'm beginning here in the 2nd fret and in the 4th fret. So I simply just go up 4 notes, pick all notes, 2nd on the D, 4th on the D, 2nd on the G, and 4th on the G, and then I take that note there in the 3rd fret on the B string and bend it up, stop it on the top of the bend, and then go back to the note in the 4th fret on the G string. Alright, so then I play 4th and 2nd on the G string, and then 4th again. And that 4th fret, I slide that up to the 9th fret. So, right, the second I hit it, I also slide it up as fast as I can to the 9th fret. This slide is not as hard as it seems. In the beginning, if you're not used to sliding to a particular fret like that over that long distances, it just takes a couple of minutes to learn because you just have to practice doing it slowly and making no mistakes. That's the key to learning it the fastest way possible. So just do it not faster than you can do it perfectly. And if you keep that tempo where you can do it perfectly with no uncertainty, no stress, and you can do it right every single time, like you had a gun to your head, and you had to do it right, then I promise you, then pretty soon, it's going to be really easy. You get it into your fingers here. And that's a matter of minutes, not a matter of weeks or months. So, alright, again. So I go 9th fret, 7th fret on the G string, and then the 9th fret on the D string and pull off down to the 7th. That's the only thing I do in the first position here. From this note here, I slide it up again to the 4th position, now 1 octave higher in the 14th fret. Right, then I'm on the first note again, and I can do the same thing. Right, and slide it up all the way up to the 21st fret here on the G string. So, right, 21st, not 22nd. Right, then I can hold that note in the 19th fret and then go to the 22nd fret, B string, and bend it up 1 whole tone. So, alright. So that's the whole thing. Right? So You can play around with this. You can do this in other positions as well. On, just pick a couple of notes, mark them out. Where are they in the different positions, and then go back and forth between them. Right? A lot of fun. So let me just play this with some music in the background. See how that sounds.